Gen AI is changing everything: how we search, build, and communicate. But there's one thing holding it back: memory. Training gets the headlines, but inferencing? That's the grind. It consumes 90% of GPU cycles, runs 24/7, and stalls on memory bottlenecks. That's where LightningAI by Pliops comes in. It's a GPU rack-level memory solution built for Gen AI inference, delivering petabyte-scale context at HBM-like performance. How does it work? It offloads KV caches to our LightningAI KV Store storage node. It enables agents to share memory without stepping on each other's context. And it plugs into your existing stack without requiring retooling. Why it matters? Whether you're building support agents, dev copilots, or multi-agent systems, LightningAI helps them think deeper, respond faster, and collaborate smarter. LightningAI's performance results are incredible: up to 8 times prefill speedup, 7 times prompt token throughput, 5 times end-to-end inference acceleration, 50 times more IOPS density than best-in-class file systems. To summarize, training is short, but inferencing is forever. LightningAI doesn't just accelerate Gen AI, it redefines what's possible. Want to see it in action? Visit pliops.com. Pliops LightningAI. Because LLMs can remember forever.